Hello everyone, this is Julian from Canada Coffee, and today we have a very cool vintage Pavoni with us in the shop. This is a really older one. It had came in, well, originally the customer came in to buy a power switch, and they tried to replace the power switch. They couldn't get around to replacing it themselves, so they brought it in. While it's here, we did replace the power switch and a lot of the wiring. There's a lot of charred wires in there, just a lot of melting and stuff like that. So I rewired the entire machine on the bottom. Plus we did a tune-up on this machine, replacing all the gaskets both in the group head and around your pressure, your water level, or sight glass, as I should say. That's all we did to this machine. There is a few other things, but you know, it's getting older. It's kind of scary to start repairing big things on these machines, especially if the price is too expensive. So I just did a tune-up. We do have a replacement knob on there just for testing and for this video. This is the original knob. Wasn't able to put it back on there, and it's just the wood's rotting. So you could probably make a new knob or buy a new one. If you do want to buy one of the plastic ones with us, we could order it for you. But it seems like wood would be probably best with this machine. It does come with this little thing right here, and it usually has an eagle on the top, but it does not have the eagle on it. And we do have the portafilter. I am cleaning it right now off to the side. The only reason I'm not going to use it is because it didn't come with a basket inside of it, the basket to put the coffee in, so we can't actually brew a shot with it. But we are going to test the machine. We're just going to pull water by pulling the lever up, and we are going to test the steamer. We are at 1 bar, so I'm going to push it a little bit higher. Usually you want to go about 1.3, 1.2. For a shot, you want to go around the 1 range, just so you don't burn your coffee. But we are going to do that just so we can test the steam one. I did have to deep clean the steam one, even having to poke all the stuff that was in there. A bunch of milk just solidified in the steam one. And so after poking around, cleaning, and using Rinza on it, which is what you would use for milk on your steam ones, it cleaned it up a bit. So now we're going to test it by opening the valve. And as you can see, really powerful steam one for an older Pavoni. We're going to turn it off just so we could get pressure to pull the lever up. And now we're going to pull the lever up. And again, we did clean that piston. As you can see, got an even water. Yeah, and you pull that down, and it glides really smooth. And if you did want more water coming out the front, which I know most people would, you would put this a little higher and adjust it like that. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.